Okay, Claire has presented us with an agreement problem. Now, agreement problems come in a couple of different forms, but first of all, note the comment. AGR means that you have some sort of agreement problem. Can somebody tell me the two primary ways two words can disagree? When I'm saying these words are disagreeing, what kind of words can disagree in English? Sorry? No, then I think, Jordan, you're onto something more like parallel structure. I was thinking of a pronoun and what we call its referent. So if I say, this cup, they are black. Obviously, some of you are laughing. They and cup don't match in what quality? Number. They don't match in number. They don't agree in number. That's an agreement problem. What's the other problem that we could have? Not just pronoun and referent. What else disagrees? Because this is not a pronoun-referent problem. Tense could disagree, but then I would probably write a T, which means that you shifted tense from one to the next. But you're closer, Denise, because it does focus on the verb itself. Subject and verb can disagree in number. And I'm saying that Claire's sentence includes a subject-verb disagreement. We have are. What is the subject? The carelessness. That's correct. Yep. There you go. So, Caitlin has identified the problem. The subject is carelessness. Our carelessness is the subject of the sentence, or the subject of this clause. Our carelessness are. That doesn't make sense. Okay, well, Claire's not stupid, and Claire's a good writer, so why did she make this mistake? Kim? Let's see. I don't think she thought that people that's a good guess, but it's on the other side of carelessness. Zoe? Earth and resources. Look, we have a conjunction. And Claire, because the conjunction was right next to the verb, you took the conjunction as plural, you made the verb plural also. But Caitlin's correct that the actual subject is carelessness. By the way, do you notice that you realize that over here? Because you use it to replace carelessness. They, did you? You said it. So you knew that carelessness was singular when you talked about the it, but because this was so close to a conjunction, you thought it was plural. Okay? Does that make sense? Yeah. All right. So if I have marked an agreement error on one of your sheets, then that's the problem. Either subject-verb agreement or pronoun-reference agreement. Look at the verb and find the subject, or look at the pronoun and find its referent. Okay, anybody? I always like to stick on the same sort of error. Does anybody else have an agreement error that they'd like to offer? Confused about? Or is that good enough? Okay, then we will move on to the next. Dakota, I see your hand all ready for launch. So what do you have?